So, hello all, this is Shruti, and I am starting this new series of different types of sleeve making from scratch in Clo 3D. So, this is the first video of that series, and today we are going to make flare sleeve. So, yeah, let's start with that. So, सबसे पहले you have to open one Clo file and freeze the bodice part because we have to work mostly onto the sleeve. So, we have to freeze the body part. And then in 2D window you have to select this slash and spread tool and then fullness, and then you have to mark onto the sleeve and just spread the sleeve like this. And you have to make sure that you always have to start from center. Similarly on both the sides. So yeah, we are done. Once you are okay with the fall, you just have to make this particle distance to 5. Once simulation is done, you just have to remove this top stitch and again have to add the fresh top stitch. Also the puckering effect. Now we are ready with the final output. Just unfreeze the bodice part and you are done with the flare sleeve. To have a look of the final result, we just have to activate the render mode. So this is the final result. So yeah, that's all for today. Have a nice day.